Welcome to the future of real estate marketing with Seattle Realtor Media's 360-degree virtual tours. Immerse yourself in a stunning, interactive experience that brings properties to life like never before. Step inside and explore every corner of this beautiful home from the comfort of your own device. Our 360-degree virtual tours provide a detailed, panoramic view, allowing you to navigate through rooms and outdoor spaces seamlessly. Experience the spacious living areas, modern kitchen, and luxurious bedrooms as if you were really there. Our high-resolution imaging and advanced technology ensure that every detail is captured with precision and clarity. With Seattle Realtor Media, you can showcase unique property features and highlight key selling points effortlessly. Our 360-degree virtual tours engage potential buyers, providing them with an in-depth understanding of the property, helping them to make informed decisions quickly and confidently. By offering a virtual tour, you attract more qualified leads, reduce unnecessary showings, and close sales faster. Our innovative approach sets your listings apart in a competitive market, maximizing your reach and impact. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Contact Seattle Realtor Media today to elevate your real estate marketing and give your listings the attention they deserve.